foggy out this morning. Today's the day that we head home. Flying out at about 4:30. So far, our flights have not been delayed. There is a volcano on another island of Indonesia that's causing a lot of disruption, but so far, we're doing okay. No delays, no cancellations. So we're gonna plan for normal. But this morning, we're gonna do breakfast. I'm gonna try and snorkel a little bit more, and then we're going to pack up and head out. It's over. Leaving this bum behind so I can go snorkeling. Nobody wants to go with me. But I will never be back in Indonesia, as far as I know. So I better get as much snorkeling in as possible. He got a long skinny fish.
Yeah, that's a lot of fish. You guys did good. You did good. It's a lot.
Time to pack. Hate it when it comes to an end. Okay, it's time to leave the hotel. We're gonna go drop off postcards. And last two postcards. Drop them off. Then hopefully go try the babi guling, which is the
roasted pork.
Roasted pork, yeah. This was a great hotel. Really enjoyed it. Everybody was really nice. Slept really well each night. We'd come back. I'm not ready to go, but gotta go back to work to make money to go on another trip. So, see you on the road. Oh, they're so nice.
They are the nicest here.
The nicest, and it is snug parking.
Yeah, luckily we have a Roy.
I would not make it out of here.
I would bash into this wall on purpose.
Chunk, 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 chunk. Thank you.
Oh, the nicest people.
Oh, off we go. Oh. We don't have time to stop for ATM to have babi guling. Or stop for babi guling because, you know, we only have like a couple hours to the airport. Well, we have 2 hours to drive to the airport. And it's noon right now, so, you know, we're kind of pushing it for time anyway.
We're eating cookies and chips.
Which we have to eat anyway. So, this is our snack tray. And Jen's got a snack tray in the back.
Our snack trays. Snack trays.
Yum, yum. Chicken chips are great. I'm gonna go to work. Maybe it's just a terminal.
It says no shipping.
What? I don't want to work there. They don't tip. God damn, they do have coveralls on though. Ugh.
Could you imagine that for
And a
coveralls in this
mask
heat?
and everything
I would
else.
die. I
Think of all your
would
PPE
die.
You have to wear.
Blech. Roy with his toll booth fly swatter.
But it's not going in that lane.
Dang, Roy, he belongs here. 1.5 kilometers and we'll peel off to the left. Okay, so we're here at the DPS airport. We are gonna head out of the lounge and go find our gate. We board in just under half an hour and we head to Taipei. And Jen's over here trying not to cry because of this movie.
God, no, it's so good. It's so good.
No, we have an hour and a half. They keep bumping back the boarding time. It was at 4 to leave at 4:30. Now it's saying 4:20.
Oh, 420 is fine. 14. Yeah.
I'm confused. driving in, we noticed that Denpasar is really smoggy. Didn't dawn on me until right now that it was probably from the volcano. Yeah, it's pretty gross. I thought it was just smog. Pretty gross out. Jen, is it time to board?
Let me look. It's 4:03 right now from my sundial, and
She's so good. Wow.
we'll board in about 15 minutes. About 15 minutes.
Wow. A true adventurer.
And next, never let go. Never let go. You want to go to the back? Let's go.
No.
Fine.
Go on.
See you at the gate.
Go on, get. Go on.
I'm walking slow.
We got like
Do more.
50 people.
But do less. Do less. Do less. We're gonna need to do more than that. Bye.
Oops, sorry.
Oh my God. There's so many people right now. Thank you. Alrighty, dear. This is home for the next 5 hours.
5 hours?
I think so. But, yep, over to Taipei. She really likes me more. How about you get out of here? Look at me with my 2 glasses. It's because the airplane's named after me.
It is.
Fruit and chocolate cake. That's pretty good. I'm into it. I'm hungry. First leg of the trip is done.
Blankets and stuff.
Yeah, everybody wanted blankets on that flight. It was so hot. I was sweating.
Yep.
I'm sure Jenny was sweating.
Watch. She got the cold part of the airplane.
God, I hope she did.
Not
But
just
I had a
like the
fan
hotels.
going, and the gal next to me was all wrapped up in a shawl. It was like, oh my God. It's crazy. I want to be in all of them. These are so cool. Yeah, this is just cute. Wow. Wow. Yeah, I want to fly out of C1.
Raccoons on the trees. I got it.
Leopard cat. I really like this airport. I wish I wasn't so tired.
Lines, thank you. Zone 2 passengers, 2 lines for boarding, thank you.
Hi. Thank you. This is the long one. 10-hour flight, Taipei to Seattle. I'm gonna sleep.
I'm not. But
You have to finish that Horizon movie, which is like 8 million years long.
He's got 8 hours to do it.
I got an hour. Hey, let's go that way. Walk down here. They're like, no.
We bumped you up, and I'd be like, okay. We've got a long hike to the back. Bam. All right.
Message officer captain speaking again. We're now approaching Seattle and will commence descent in about 5 minutes. The current local time at Seattle is 5:60 p.m. and we expect to arrive at 5:45 in the evening. The current weather of the airport right now is cloudy with score temperature 8 degrees Celsius, which is 46 degrees Fahrenheit. And once again, thank you for choosing EVA Airway, and we look forward to see you again in the near future. Bye.
Oh, it feels so good out here. Hey, handsome. It feels so good here. It's nice and cold. Halfway through the flight, I was like, oh, what's this feeling I haven't felt in 2 weeks? Jill? It's great. Hey, sweater, I missed you. And it's cold here, so.
Yeah, 45, it says. 45, 47.
It's wonderful. It's wonderful.
Oh, it feels so nice.
Now we're gonna go through customs. Look at that handsome guy. In the United States.
Baggage claim 23.
23. Okay. I've never been through customs here, but that definitely looks like a corral that you'd run cows through. Oh, Kurt's everywhere.
There are so many people right here.
Weird. We didn't even have to fill out the paper or do the kiosks.
No, I think that's what I'm saying. Everything is going like digital.
Yeah. Just asked a couple questions and we were out. So now I think we have to go
Wait for Jenny.
recheck. She's over there. Recheck our bag and all that. And then go to our gate. Jenny's over there getting the 9th degree. Looks serious, he's yelling at her. Just kidding, he's not. But she does seem to get stuck at customs a lot. Or they're just having a nice long conversation about their childhoods.
Yeah, maybe they both grew up in Argentina.
Ooh. Oh, but we're here in Seattle. We're gonna go find our gate and some food. So excited. Oh.
Nice. I've missed you. I just didn't know. I knew. Didn't know. Oh. I'm sorry. This is a private moment. Thank you.
God, things are getting weird. Turns out we are flying at 8 p.m. instead of boarding at 9:15 like the boarding pass says. Eva Air has got to get it figured out. So we are not having a burger and we are going. I'm tired. I feel myself getting grouchy. Yep. I just want to go home. Okay, last leg. Here we go. Way back here. Ugh, this is it. All right, let's go home.
Sure.
This is it. We're home. So we're signing off. Another trip in the books. See you later.